Top technologies every cybersecurity engineer should learn in 2026. Cybersecurity is no longer just about protecting systems. In 2026, security engineers are expected to predict attacks, secure cloud-native environments, and respond in real time. Here are the top technologies every cybersecurity engineer must learn to stay relevant and effective. 1. Networking and Internet Protocols. Foundation. You can't secure what you don't understand. Master. TCP, IP, DNS, HTTP, firewalls and routing, network traffic analysis. Strong networking knowledge is the base of all security work. 2. Linux and operating system security. Most critical systems run on Linux. You should understand file permissions, process management, system hardening, log analysis. OS-level knowledge helps detect and prevent attacks early. 3. Cloud security. AWS, Azure, GCP, security has moved to the cloud. Learn identity and access management, IAM, cloud network security, shared responsibility model, cloud threat detection. Cloud security skills are essential in modern environments. 4. Application security, AppSec. Most breaches happen at the application layer. Focus on secure coding practices, OWASP Top 10, API security, web and mobile app vulnerabilities. Application security protects systems where attackers most often enter. 5. Security operations and SIEM tools. Detection is as important as prevention. Learn tools like SIEM platforms, log correlation, incident detection, alert tuning. This is the heart of Security Operations Centers, SOC. 6. Threat intelligence and malware analysis. Security engineers must think like attackers. Understand threat intelligence feeds, indicators of compromise, IOCs, malware behavior, attack techniques. Knowing how attacks work helps you stop them faster. 7. Endpoint detection and response. EDR, endpoints are a major attack surface. Learn endpoint monitoring, behavioral analysis, automated response systems. EDR tools help stop attacks before they spread. 8. Automation and scripting for security. Manual security doesn't scale. Learn Python or Bash scripting, security automation. SOAR platforms. Automation allows faster detection and response. 9. Zero Trust architecture. Perimeter security is no longer enough. Understand Zero Trust principles, continuous authentication, least privilege access. Zero Trust is becoming the standard security model. 10. Governance, risk and compliance. GRC, security must align with regulations. Learn risk assessment, security policies, compliance standards, ISO, NIST, SOC 2, strong security balances protection with business needs. Summary. Cybersecurity in 2026 is not about one tool. It's about strong foundations, cloud-native security, automation, proactive defense. The best security engineers protect systems before attacks happen. If you want a structured cybersecurity learning path focused on real-world defense and modern threats, at Uplatz, we design role-based programs that prepare you for today's security challenges. Because cybersecurity isn't just a job, it's continuous vigilance.